Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and today we're looking at the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro kit. And this is the box that it comes in, and it just tells you here the extension rod, battery, 3 batteries and a battery case, which is awesome. So let's open it up and have a look at it. Before we do that, you can pause the video and take a look at the back here and have a read for yourselves. I like the packaging. Sort of reminds me of an Apple product. Okay, so what do we got here? We got some accessories. We'll open this one first, and this one should be the protective casing. Got your little silicone gel. Do not eat. Alright, so here's the protective casing that it comes with. Get this little tab off the power button. Now it's good to have this case always mounted on your camera. Because of the fact that you've got your little your clip mounts that go on the side here, so if you wanted to do shorts you can easily unclip it from the bottom, which is here, and you can quickly clip it on the side and to do your shorts or your vertical videos. Very easy to operate. And what do we got here? Okay, so we've got a curved adhesive base mount for your helmets or your surfboards or whatever you got that's curved surface. 2 locking screws, and they seem to be nice and heavy duty. They're a little bit different from the GoPro. The GoPro, as you can remember, was more rounded, so these are more on the long side, which is easier for you to grab and to twist, which is good. Anti-slip pads. I'll show you what these are for later on. And of course your quick release mounting clips, and you've got 2 of these. Okay, so your anti-slip pads here, you grab one of these and you put them on the side here if it's a little bit too loose, and then you put your screw in and it should tighten up nicely for you. But I don't think I'll need that, but it's good that they think of something like that, something small. Right, next box, the accessories box. Alright, so you get your little manual here. Obviously that's what it is. Let's just open it up. Yeah, so just manual, how to operate it, the usual. And what's this here? I hope they're stickers. And yes, they are. Oh, you've got a variety of stickers here. Well, that's pretty cool. If you want to advertise the fact that you have a DJI, you got your stickers. And here's another mounting clip. And it's magnetic too, look. About the same size. Yeah, about the same size, both of them. Alright, and here's the second best thing about this kit is the multi-charger battery pack. Yeah, very nice, very solidly built, feels good in the hands, and when you open it you get your indication of your battery here. And you get your 3 batteries inside, which are 1950 mAh. There's the battery itself. I like how DJI think of these things for people that are, on the go, vloggers and content creators, which is awesome. Really, really good. Now the light indication, you can turn it on by opening the door or by this button right here. Okay, so we've got the green light, or if it's off, it's fully charged. Mid-charge is orange, and red needs charging. Very simple. One more thing to show in this box, besides the camera, is the extension rod. Now, coming from DJI, you know it's going to be well built, feels quality anyway, and that's it there. Now, the good thing about this is it's just a pull out. Some of them you have to lock it in by twisting it, but this one no. And I don't like the ones that you twist and lock, because it can easily twist while you've got your camera on and out extended, and it could fall in or close up on you. And it's nice and tight, and that extends to 1.5 meters, I believe. It's got a little mounting screw on the bottom as well, if you want to put it on a little tripod. All right, and now for the camera. And here's the camera itself. Take off the little cover. Now it does come with this ring here, which is like a rubber ring to protect your outside of your lens. Now this is your lens protective case. There's the back, which is nice and big, bigger than the GoPros. And that's it for this unboxing. So thanks again everyone. If you're still there, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. And I'll be back again real soon. Bye.